Hey, what's up, besties? It's your girl E.Michelle, and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. If this is your very first time, go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. So today we're just going to be putting in our cash envelopes and our sinking funds. So if you're interested in seeing what I do this month, and sometimes it probably won't change, it might get a little boring, but I'll be talking through them. So hey, you know, whatever, it is what it is. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so we're going to just go with the flow, and as I wish you guys could see and feel, but I have not tons, but I have some money left over, and just making sure there's no extra change in there for any of these. That 10 cents goes somewhere else. And someone gave me an idea for the change that I have been saving. I'm actually going to put that towards my Starbucks fund. So any change that I get back as far as like coins, I'm going to be putting that into a fund for Starbucks. So I have all of our cash here, and I'm just going to go ahead and separate it. 1, 2. And I got like tons of 5s. Luckily for me, the guy thought I was kind of cute, and he was like, "Where are you going? Why you need all this change?" He was like, "You going to the strip club?" And I just kind of smiled and let that be what it is. I didn't confirm or deny, but I didn't say that I was. So I'm just separating this money out here, and I'm actually kind of anal about the way my money goes. So I think it started in Sunday school when it was like this, because I had to organize the money as the person running Sunday school, and I just wanted my money to be straight because my dad liked his money straight. So yeah, and there's that part. Okay, so we have all our monies, and I'm just going to scoot. Let's see if I can zoom out just a little bit more so you guys can see still. Okay, so for gas, it says that we ended up with $2. And I'm just checking to see in here, and we had those same $2 in there from last time. So I'm just going to mark that here, and then I'm going to take a line, and I'll just put that I started a new envelope. So that's what this orange means. So we got $2.15. And, oh, I was supposed to write new. Okay, how about we do this? Because I want everything to be cohesive. Ooh, there we go. Okay, so $2.15. Got a new PayCheck. Okay, and, oh, maybe I'm not doing it by the month. But I need to write when I'm putting money in there, so this is fine. So amount spent, y'all got to excuse me. So we're not putting in the amount spent, but our new balance is going to be $62 again. So we need to grab 62. So I'm gonna grab it in 40, 60. Yeah, I'm gonna grab it in 20s and just stick those in there. So there's that. Now we're going to go to the groceries, and I'm going to make another line here. This says we ended up with $35 left over for groceries. So let's just count and make sure we have that. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm missing. I'm short $1. Oh, here it goes. It was behind. So that's 5, 10, 15, and 20 makes $35. So we had $35 left over, and I'm actually going to change this to $130 going forward. So we're just going to take $100 and 20. Actually, I think I'm going to do it like this. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we're adding this together. So right now we have the 35 plus the 130 plus 35. 165 is what we're going into the next month with. Okay, so I'm just going to put that in there like this. like so. I want to make sure my money is making sense. Okay. Do that. And we're going to stick that in there. So our our groceries are done. So our household, it says that we had $30 left over for household. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30. So we have $30 left. Just making sure my math is right. So you guys can't even see what I'm doing right now. Okay. So $215 and new pay. So we're adding the $30 plus the $50, and that's going to put us at $80 for house. And that's pretty good because I actually, wow, there's a coin in here somewhere. I believe there might be a coin in here. Okay, maybe not. Maybe I'm tripping. Nope, I wasn't tripping. There's 10 cents in there. I'm like, maybe I'm tripping, but I wasn't. Okay, so there's that. All right, so then we got personal care, which we know we don't have anything left for personal care. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to change this from $55. We're going to start putting $60 in there, and that's cool. 20, 40, 60. And I think I'm actually going to do it like this because I'll be giving a tip. So that way I can give her the tip like that. So we're doing 60 bucks in here. And this envelope gonna last for a long time. I'm not gonna have to change it. New pay, and we're starting off at $60. All right, so I'm putting that one to the side. Now, entertainment. I didn't go anywhere or do anything, and Mighty only had one game last week, so I have a total of $42 left for entertainment. 20. And we went to the dino thing, but I actually used some of my funds that I had from my Etsy shop to pay for that. So I didn't have to use any of my entertainment money, but if I would have, I would have just used it. But anyways, that was like neither here nor there. So 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So we have $42 left over from that, and then we're putting $50. So here we go, $50. So we are at $92 for entertainment, and that's cool. That's real good. So $215 new pay. Okay, and I'm sticking that in there like so. That's over to the side. Eating out, I did not add that up, so whatever is in here is what's left over. There's like a receipt in here too. Probably because I wanted to make sure I marked what I was supposed to mark on there. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7 left. So I'm just gonna put that this was $7 here. And I said 7, so that puts us at $57. 40, 60, 80, 100. I'm going to do it like this because I know that $60 needs to go in there. Okay. Okay, 20, 40, 50, 60. Whew. All right, and then our sinking funds. We currently have $180 in here. And don't mind this envelope. I spilled wine the other night during the channel evaluation, so I just didn't bother to make the new one yet, but I will in just a minute. Eventually, I guess so. I don't know. This one just stays at home, so I wasn't too worried about wasting the paper on it. So 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, and I'm just going to add $60 more. 20, 40, 60. All right. So that puts us at 180 plus 60 equals 240. Okay, so we are at 240 in there, and now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, $27, and that's about right because I actually had combined some money that my grandma gave me. So I'm going to stick this money, and then I also adjusted the grocery bill as well, so that's cool too. I'm going to leave this money to the side and probably put it as like some petty cash or whatever. For my savings, my emergency fund, here we are. For January, you know, we ended up with $400. So for February, I don't even think I marked the first one that I got. And this is from the Mom Life sticker book. You guys can get this from in there. But for February, I put in, I'll have 2 deposits of $100. So we are looking at $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $600 in our savings. All right, you guys, so we did our sinking funds. We did all of our cash envelopes, and I'm super excited. The one thing I am thinking about doing, as I told you guys last time, is for the gas. I am looking at getting an actual gas card where I can just swipe it at the pump. Sometimes the thing that I do is I just pay myself back. I will put it on my card, my debit card, and I'll just pay myself back the cash when I get a chance. That's another option for me because I do kind of like having it in a cash envelope. It keeps me honest, I guess you can say, when I do that. But yeah, this is what we have for this month. Thank you guys so much, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. Catch you in the next one. KK, bye.